you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a jewelry item to show you from Jeulia. Do you want to see what I received? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so now this is going to be my second unboxing of Jeulia's jewelry. And the first item that I did receive, I'm actually wearing right here, is this stunning bracelet. And if you didn't see that video, definitely check that out if you want to see all the details about this. I love this bracelet. Plus, I like the way that it keeps it together because it's adjustable for anybody's wrist, but that's not what this video is about. This video is on this guy right here. So they got a hold of me and asked if I'd be willing to review another jewelry item on their website. And being how I love this bracelet, the quality, everything is just completely stunning. I'm like, you know what? I would be honored to get another piece of your beautiful jewelry. So I went on their site and I chose a ring set because I know there's a lot of people out there who cannot afford real diamond rings, especially like wedding sets, that kind of thing. So I definitely wanted to show you guys something completely different from a bracelet. I didn't want to show just a necklace or earrings. I wanted to show a ring. Now, at first I didn't choose a ring because I didn't think they would have a size big enough for my chunky dunky fingers, but their ring sizes actually go from size 3 to size 15, and they have half sizes in between. So when I saw that they do go up way past my ring size, I'm like, oh, I really wish I would have gotten a ring. So when they got a hold of me, I'm like, okay, I already know. I want to choose a ring to show you guys what a ring would look like. So you can see two completely different styles of jewelry. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I'm gonna show you the item that I chose, and we're gonna look at it, see it, I'm gonna try it on, and then I'm gonna tell you all about their stones. So let's get into this guy. This did come in an outer mailer bag that I did remove, and this is what was inside. So let's go ahead and get this opened. Okay, so right on top, you do have a pamphlet, there's a card, and what I do think is super cool, they give you a gift bag. So if you wanted to order something for a gift, for a friend, a family member, or whichever, they give you this little bag that you can put it in, and it's already gift ready. I like their bags and the color, just all the black with the silver. I think it looks really nice. And in here, I believe this is the cleaning cloth. Yes, they do give you a cleaning cloth in here as well. And then here is actually a greeting card. So if you do give this for a gift, here's a greeting card, here's the bag, here's a cleansing cloth, and then down in here is the actual item. So this is what you would just stick right in the bag and you're already ready. They have you covered on your gift giving. So this is what the box looks like. And it does give you this. It says stop, read before removing jewelry tag. Items cannot be returned if the jewelry tag is removed. So please carefully check the item and make sure it fits properly before removing the tag. So if it doesn't fit quite to your liking, as long as you leave the tag on, you can return it. Now they do have 30-day returns. They have free shipping on their site for anything over $99. They have a 1-year warranty on their jewelry, and all of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. They even have flexible financing available, and they have secure shopping on their website. So let's get in. Ooh, one of them fell out. So it does come in this really nice box, so you can just stick them in there with the little crease. Afterwards, you can store them in the box. And then here are the two items. So here's the tag that they're talking about that you cannot remove. So let's get these opened and see. So here's the first ring. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm gonna be bling blinging. And then these, I forgot, I thought it was only a 2-piece, but it's a 3-piece set. So here's two of these that go on both sides that have all of the stones around. It doesn't go the whole way, but it does go like more than half of the way. And Okay, so these are designed to go a specific way, because so this side is a lot, I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. Let me try to do it this way. So like this side is a lot flatter and it goes at a different angle than like this one. So it's designed to literally go like this around the ring. So let me take off my ring and see how they did as far as the sizing. Last time I went to my jeweler, which was like a few weeks ago, I had them size my ring so I knew what size, because I didn't want to guess. So altogether, oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is stunning. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Let me see if this fits, and then I can know if I can remove the, yes, and it fits. Okay, so let me remove this tag because we know it fits. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Like, holy moly guacamole. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is stunning. And this particular ring, I will link down below with their website. But this ring, now I'm like, what do I do with this one? This one's real, but this one is really nice. This one looks way better. So I'm not going to wear this one right now. I'll just stick it on that hand. Okay, so this ring on their website is normally $210 for this complete set. All 3 pieces, $210, but it's on sale right now for $149. So $149, this could be yours. And they have so many different rings, you guys. Definitely check out their site. They have earrings, necklaces, they have rings, they have bracelets. They even have where you can customize and order things. And I believe I even saw something where you can put a photo like in a locket, or it was on some type of jewelry. I'm like, oh. So there's so many different things, and especially with the holidays coming up, it's a good idea. Even if you want to check something out and let your man know, hey, this is what I want for Christmas. Again, anything over $99, it ships for free. I got it so quick. The shipping is very, very quick, and you get everything. You get the gift bag, you get the cleaning cloth, and you have a year warranty. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about their stone, because when I read this, I was just so amazed by how this quality is supposed to be. So it's like the next size under an actual real diamond, basically, is how this sounds. So again, they do on rings, they do sizes 3 to 15, and they do half sizes. You can choose whichever size you would like. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it's more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. Now, they have this little chart that's on their site, and it says Jeulia stone compared to mined diamonds. So looks like a diamond, they both are checked. Durable, they are both checked. Hardness, Jeulia stone is a 9, where the mined diamonds are a 10. So it's one step under a real authentic diamond. And then density, Jeulia stones are 5.70, where a mined diamond is 3.52. 100% ethically sourced is checked for Jeulia stone, not the mined diamond. Potential harmful mining is not checked for Jeulia, but it is checked for the mined diamond. And the price point, you save so much money buying one of these stones than going straight to a real diamond, because you can get it at a fraction of the cost. Measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be curated in colorless forms, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. The white diamond colored stone, because they have so many different colored stones, so this is the white diamond colored stone, has the same brilliance and durability as a natural diamond, but at a fraction of the cost. For centuries, diamonds have been adorned by women and men and was regarded as a symbol of eternal love. Today, diamonds are still the most precious and valuable stone in the world. Diamonds are associated with celebrities and royalties alike. So again, they have the 30-day returns, free shipping over $99, 1-year warranty. They're all $925 sterling silver, and they do have flexible financing. So once I read that, I'm like, oh my gosh, they're like literally one step under a real diamond. And all of their stones are done in-house, and they are the ones that are making them and curating these beautiful rings. Like, my goodness, you guys, this is stunning. This is stunning. I am in love with this ring. I think this is going to be my new ring. Even though I have my other one, I think I'm going to set that one aside and I'm going to start rocking this guy, because this is not a rock. This is a stone. And it is a beautiful stone. I can't stop staring at it. This is just gorgeous. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And like, I put this one on today to show you guys, and I showed my man, I'm like, look, I'm wearing the bracelet. He goes, oh my gosh, that looks real. And I was like, yeah, but it's not. This is one of their stones. So they have, these are the white, and then they have that other colored stone right there in the middle. I love this bracelet, and I love the fact that they have little tiny stones like in, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but like in the little things here, there's even little stones in there. Like, their attention to detail to put things in every little nook and cranny is just amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't stop staring at this. That is gorgeous. Wow. I've never had something look so good on my finger before. Wow. They did an amazing job, and it's fit perfectly to my size. I told them the right size, and it fits. You know, sometimes even though you tell them a size, they might make it differently. It's made perfectly because it fits just like my other ring that I just took off my finger. So that is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I will link them down below. And again, to this specific ring, it will be linked down below if you want to check that out. But that'll take you to their site, and you can look at all of the different things that they have to offer. They have a new mermaid collection. They even have a Jack Skellington collection. Yes, I know. I passed up Jack Skellington to get this beauty, and I do not regret that at all. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Jeulia, for sending me this amazing 3-piece set. This is just stunning. Like, it's breathtaking. I am in love with this ring, you guys. I'm in love with this ring, you guys. So that is everything that I have to show you. Everything will be linked in the description box to take you to their website. Again, I love this bracelet, and I only bring it out like on when I'm going out or whatever. I do not wear it to work because I do not want it to get messed up. Even though I know it's not 100% like real diamond, it's still good quality. It looks real. It feels real, it feels nice. So I just don't want anything to happen to it. So I don't wear like this to work because I do not want to get it messed up. But this ring set I'm going to be wearing now every day. You're going to be seeing this in my unboxings. Anytime I'm showing you something, this is the ring you're going to be seeing. And where did I get it? I got it from Jeulia. So thank you guys so much. Thank you again, Jeulia, for sending me this amazing jewelry piece. I am so glad that I went back to their site and I learned about their stones, because it was so neat and interesting to learn how they do their stones in-house and how well quality of the stones that they have to offer and that they put in their rings. They have the returns, they have the warranty. I just really like this company. It's amazing. So I'm definitely gonna keep my eye on their site, and I'm probably gonna order a few other things because the quality is really, really good. So that is everything that I have for you guys again today. Thank you so much. I really needed to do this box because I wanted to see what it looked like and I wanted to start wearing it. Like, I'm so excited that they actually sent the one that I requested and that it looks so, it just is stunning. It looks so much better in person than it did online. You guys, this is just breathtaking. Bling bling. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, so until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.